Students, we are studying complement system, and we will go for the next phase, that is the recognition phase. How the complement system recognizes the antigen antibody complex and how initial steps occurs, we will see in the today's video. Suppose this one is a bacterial cell wall. This one is a bacterial cell wall, and to this bacterial cell wall antibody IgG get attached. When this antigen antibody complex is formed, C1 component get activated. But which part of C1 component? C1q comes in contact with the antibody, it interact with the Fc region of the antibody and it get activated. This C1q component get activated, it activates the next C1 component, that is C1r, and this C1r now activates the C1s components on the both sides. C1s are C1 esterase enzymes, and due to these enzymes there is activation of next complement factor, that is C4 component, and this C4 component when get activated, it splits into two subunits, C4a and C4b. C4b binds to this membrane. This one is a antigenic membrane or bacterial cell wall. This C4b binds to this membrane here. Now the other side C1s, C1 esterase enzyme activates the next complement component, that is C2, and due to activation of this C2 component, it gets split into C2b and C2a. C2b and C2a subunit. Now this C2b subunit bind to the C4b subunit of complement factor and it forms a complex, that is C4b. It forms a complex C4b. So when this C2b combine with C4b, it forms an activated component of complement factor, and this activated component is designated by this bar line. This one is a complex, this one is C4b and this one is C2b. It forms a complex in a combination, and this one is a denotion of its activated form. Activation of this C4b 2b activated component is initial step for the enzymatic reaction of complement pathway. This is all about the recognition phase of complement fixation pathway.